Good morning, everybody. It's Dave Robles with Think Real Estate, bringing you episode 24 of the Great California Corona Staycation Show. Managed to do some laundry, got my Rams gear nice and clean, feeling cozy on a Monday morning, day after Easter. I hope everybody had a wonderful Easter, as wonderful as you can have in the pandemic. We did. We had a really nice dinner. Skipped the Easter egg hunt. My kids are 16 and 18. But we had a really nice day considering. We're going to talk about a little market update here. What's going on in the market? Now, I've been doing this a few times, so you might be familiar with it, but let's look at Nela, okay? Hipster Corridor, Northeast Los Angeles. In Nela, there were 10 new under contract properties. These are properties that have gone into escrow in the last 8 days. Okay, that is actually unchanged from the previous 8 days. Not too shabby, okay? Let's look at Pasadena. Pasadena has had 4 properties go under contract in the last 8 days. That is actually down 5 from the previous 8 days. So quite a bit of a slowdown there in Pasadena. Glendale, my city, where I live. Glendale saw 1 house go under contract in the last 8 days, and that's actually unchanged from the previous 8-day period. Let's look at a broader scale here. City of Los Angeles, okay, saw 24 houses go under contract in the past 8 days. Now that's actually down 12, okay? Pretty significant drop there. That's a 33% drop from where it was. So there you go, 24 in escrow, but down 12 from the previous 8-day period. And let's look at the county. County of Los Angeles, 10 million people. 221 properties have gone into escrow in the past 8 days. That is actually down 77 properties, or a drop of 34%. So kind of a significant drop there, as it should be. Okay, I'm not doing this because I want to highlight. Look at how many houses are selling, because there are not a lot of houses selling, and there shouldn't be. But I think if the situation's right and if the homeowner needs to sell, and there are buyers out there who are willing to buy. So lending's a little tricky, but we're figuring it out, folks, in a safe way to keep everybody as safe as possible. Again, I hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy Monday. I think we're looking at some sunshine this week. Should be in the mid-upper 70s. I'm a weatherman now. Okay, take care of yourself. Take care of one another, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.